we need.
Salacious.
Is that his name?
Yeah, Salacious Crumb.
Oh, shooter.
All right.
Papa.
Teeny Jedi. The Jedi.
The Jedi mind.
Dunchak. Kawa Wookie. Kawa Wookie.
On Solo.
Oh, we need to wrap this up. We're getting out of control.
Yeah.
Master Jabba says.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Oh,
Because he's
Oh,
holding
my
a
goodness.
thermal detonator.
Yoto.
Yeah.
yo.
That's the weird sounds from Star Wars. Oh my gosh.
It's like the droid who gets his feet like metal iron.
Wow! 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 Wow!
Aduna Wanga. Aduna Wanga.
You wanna walk?
Yeah.
I go.
Oh.
Echakota. Oh, there you go.
When you did the music from Jabba's palace, you're all.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, how rude.
Oh, Jesus.
That was
You
the
said
worst
don't like
part.
the Naboo.
I hated that. It's like,
Oh my gosh.
what the hell am I watching?
I know. Boba Fett's over there just like,
It's like we're listening to a chorus line. Oh my
Yeah.
goodness.
I had a Boba Fett helmet. I don't even know where my Boba Fett helmet is anymore. I don't know. So much crap in here now.
Oh man.
Oh, that's crazy. But hey, this is fun. We just do another show of all this. Like, come right back. We'll just live stream that so we can
All
like
sound effects.
put that out there.
Link. We'll jump in now.
Exactly. We make a new link and just come back in, like just doing sound.
Right back.
Look, okay, so we literally have to plan that, where we literally just like plan on coming in and just like doing sound effects from Star Wars for an hour. We don't explain it, we don't talk about it, and we just watch the chat.
Why go?
Oh my goodness.
What was it? What does he say? He goes. He goes. Another comment.
That's what Pinky.
Misa no think so.
Remember that guy outside of Jabba's palace?
Oh
Come on. That's what Pinky.
He goes.
That's what. No.
He goes away. Like whoa, who was that guy? I want to meet him.
yeah. We said don't like the Naboo. They think their brain's so big. Be gone with him.
Misa be thinking the fastest way to the Naboo is going through the planet core.
No, go.
Use
I
the
swear,
Jar Jar
we
Binks.
just do that. We don't explain it. We're just
All
like, it's
bad
just like
general.
Star Wars sounds, just the sounds of Star Wars, and we just get on here and we just.
You saw a big doodle this time. Oh man. Oh, Jar Jar, gotta think of a plan. I give up. I give up.
I give up.
I give up. I give up.
Sip of chowa. Chop chowa.
I'll see you in hell.
Yeah.
Usna pare slimo.
What was his name?
Sebulba.
Sebulba.
He always wins.
You always wins.
He may have won some give a chance, but you will not win the race.
Oh my
gosh.
Annie?
The blue is the boy. Red is his mother.
Screw the mother. I want the boy.
Oh my goodness.
It's not even like,
The blue is
The
the
death toll is
boy.
catastrophic. You must contact me.
McClunky.
this is the war. I don't think you can win.
Coruscant, that doesn't compute. You are under arrest.
I'm taking these to I am taking them to Coruscant. Coruscant. I compute. Wait, let me think. You're under arrest, and they get called.
Oh, my favorite thing. I just started watching the Clone War, the Clone Wars again. And one of the first few episodes of General Grievous, they had this big ship, and the droid's like, "I still somehow can't hit anything," and General Grievous just knocks off his head. She's like, "Yes."
Like doors go. Psst, like, check it out, Corporal. We're covering you. Roger, Roger. Uh-oh.
What's
And
going
no
on now?
match for droid decars.
What the hell is that?
This stunted slime out of my sight.
Yeah, they pop up like.
Deal with it immediately. I will make it illegal.
I will make it legal.
Do it right. Now there are two of them.
This is getting out of hand. Now there are two of them. Oh my gosh.
And they just get massacred in the end. They're like, ah!
Oh, Cygnus has a good one. They've gone out the ventilation shaft.
Ventilation shaft.
What's going on down there? Come in. Everything's under control. Situation normal. What happened? Had a slight weapons malfunction, but everything's perfectly all right now. We're fine. We're all fine here now. Thank you. How are you? We're sending a squad up. Negative. We have a reactor leak here now. Give us a few minutes to lock it down. Large leak, very dangerous.
Who is this?
Who is
What's
this?
your operating
What's your operating number? Boring conversation, anyways. Luke, we're gonna have company. And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I will give the last word of today's. What's up, brain? I will give the last word to my grandmother as we go out, remembering what brings us all together here in the Snyder cult.
We're embracing it now.
Embrace it. Embrace it. Embrace it. I will lead you.
I'm going to embrace it for clicks.
Snyder cult.
Embrace the cult.
Embrace the Snyder
You
cult.
lied on me.
Embrace it. Be who you are. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. No.
Feel your anger.
Do
You want this, don't you?
I know.
Yes, I feel your anger.
That's what I tell my wife every night. You want.
Oh my gosh.
But it's just a remote, so.
You want this, don't you?
So.
I feel your anger. Oh,
Sorry.
slight
No more
wardrobe
exhaust
malfunction.
ports. No more
Slight war.
exhaust ports to the Death Star.
All right, guys. Well, hey, thanks for joining us in the Poindexter Lounge. We're having some fun. We may do that again. That was so much fun. Or it might be one of those once in a moment things that if we try it again, it's going to be really stupid. So, hey, join us next time. Join us next time where you'll hear the illustrious ZEEVERFETT say,
What?
exactly. And we'll see you next time here in the Poindexter. If I get, see, I totally screwed that up. What?
You just got it.
Okay. Tune in next time when you'll hear the illustrious ZEEVERFETT say,
See you later.
until next time, folks. Until next time, stay nerdy. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't like the stuff that you love. Love what you love, no matter what it is, and embrace other people's nerddoms and their fandoms as well. All right. Thanks to my guest, ZEEVERFETT, NICKATINA, nerdy in many ways, with his cool embroidered hat. And look for Nimwa coming soon. All right.
Take the film off the camera. That's all it is.
Exactly. Just take that lens thing off.
You're trying to keep it new, and I understand that, but just take it off.
Hey, I'm getting a new one, okay? It's coming soon. Get off my back.
There you
It's like
go.
a thick layer of dust on it.
So I will give the final word to my grandmother in summing up what we all think, no matter what rumors end up coming true, no matter what, Here she is. We'll see you next time here in the Poindexter Lounge.
Welcome to the Poindexter Lounge. I'm Enosh's grandma, and I say yes, release the Snyder Cut.